October the 2nd. He took them with him, and they withdrew by themselves. Luke chapter 9, verse 10. In order to grow in grace, we must spend a great deal of time in quiet solitude. Contact with others in society is not what causes the soul to grow more vigorously. In fact, one quiet hour of prayer will often yield greater results than many days spent in the company of others. It is in the desert that the dew is freshest and the air is the most pure. Andrew Bonner. Come with me by yourselves and rest a while. I know you're weary of the stress and throng. Wipe from your brow the sweat and dust of toil, and in my quiet strength again be strong. Come now aside from all the world holds dear, for fellowship the world has never known. Alone with me and with my Father here, with me and with my Father, not alone. Come, tell me all that you have said and done, your victories and failures, hopes and fears. I know how hardened hearts are wooed and won. My choicest wreaths are always wet with tears. Come now and rest, the journey is too great, and you will faint beside the way and sink. The bread of life is here for you to eat, and here for you the wine of love to drink. Then from fellowship with your Lord return, and work till daylight softens into even. Those brief hours are not lost in which you learn more of your Master and his rest in heaven.